Well, I think it's important for the parents to be able to be involved. And I think that means is that they'll be able to freely go into the school to make visits and, have open, if they write an email to the Board of Education, have a response form. I did have a mother reach out to me about the security issues, and she said she's emailed the current board presidents, a handful of times and have never gotten a response. If we can become part of the Board of Education, we will communicate with you and answer your emails for you.
I think that really speaks to a respect issue when we look at partnering between the Board of Education, the parents, and the schools for the best interest of our kids. That open line of communication is just really, really vital. One of the things that we intend to do on the front end of things really is to meet with building administrators and teachers and just kind of get their ideas and their thoughts of how a school board can support them. Because really that's what it's about. For our children to have the best learning environment possible, we need all of the adults that are running things and that are collaborating to actually collaborate and work together and be respectful of each other. So that's a huge part of it. Another thing that my plan would be, if I am so fortunate to earn your vote, would be to be in the schools at least once a month, and that would be talking to teachers, making myself available to principals, to counselors, administrators, all the way up. And then also within the community and our parents, because there's too much of this that's happening. Our kids are watching, they're seeing how things are going. They're frustrated, they don't feel heard. Teachers don't feel heard, and parents don't feel heard. And so it's really an important part of our platform to be very, very clear that our plan is not to be any kind of rubber stamp. We want to be very proactive and support the administrators and the educators and the parents in order to best serve our kids.
And the good thing about us is that we're very good communicators. We can compromise, and we're excellent listeners. So again, we're the mama bears. We've raised kids and families. And that's one thing that you learn about being a good parent is good communication.